Slab City. Check out this turnout. Everyone having a good time. I like seeing people happy. All right, you guys are all about the vans, so here we go. This is what we have at this meet. This is light bar and ladder Ryan. He has the action van suspension, ultimate lift, tubed radius arms, and the Heim joint. This is Richard's van. I hope this is Richard's van. So many people here, and I have the memory of a goldfish. He got the Ryan light bar and ladder installed at Flying J. How cool is that? Sebastian's Life 91. Action van suspension. There's my van. Weldtec lift kit. Slick Rick's van. I told him he should name this van Killer Whale because it's the size of a whale. Action van suspension on Slick Rick. This is Mark's van. Weldtec lift on Mark's van. Here's Joe's van. He has the action van. 2010 upgrade radius arm. Bigfoot 4x4. A lot of you guys follow Bigfoot. Solid front axle 4-wheel drive GM van. Subscribe to our channel, Fantasy TV. 4-wheel drive GM. His and hers GM vans. RJ Renegade. U-joint 4x4. Out of U-joint, Colorado. Chupacabra Adventure. He has a YouTube channel. Check him out. He wants a lift kit. And he has the ORW light bar just like mine. The original Airstream B190. Joey's Fort. I believe this was Ryan's first customer for the newer body style Econoline light bar. Javi Wasabi's rig, Raptor grill, and a Weldtec lift kit, Weldtec bumper. This is Woe Trips on Instagram. Weldtec lift kit on this one. Nice variety today. This guy caught the convoy as we were leaving Flying J, so he made it just in time. He has a Ryan ladder. I believe this is Ryan's first customer for his ladder. He has a nice van, 4-wheel drive. I think it's Colorado camper van. There you go, solid front axle. This is Mike's van. I like that color a lot. Did not know it was a factory color. And this one has a Weldtec bumper and the Weldtec lift on it. Camburg van. I called my buddy John up, said, John, are you gonna make the meet, man? See, the geek in me, the van geek in me, we had to have a Camburg here. So the lone Camburg here. John will probably get his own video since these Camburg lifts are so rare. There we go.